Now that your Deep Hope poster is done, it's time to make sure it's named properly and that you have it in your Google Drive. Let's do those one at a time. First, come right up here. This is the title of the document. Currently it says copy of Deep Hope poster. We're going to change the words copy of to your name. That way, the title of the document is Your Name, Deep Hope Poster. Click outside the box and it's automatically saved. Pause the video, go do that. Now it's time to make sure you have a copy of your poster in your Google Drive. Let's do that. In the upper right corner is the Share button. I know it says Send to Teacher right here, and if your teacher wants you to do that, he or she will let you know. For now, let's get it into our drive. So we click Share. Scroll down, and there are a lot of different options here. We want to click More. We're going to scroll down until we see that Google Drive triangle right here. Click that. We need to first connect to our Google Drive, so click the purple button. In this pop-up window, click your email. You may scroll if you need to and click Allow. It's okay. Next, you're going to click Choose. It doesn't matter what part of your drive that your poster's in. For file type, we are going to keep it as a PNG. Then click Save. It doesn't take long and it sends it right over to your drive. Pause this video, send it to your drive, come back here and we'll check to make sure it's in your drive. Time to check and make sure it's in our drive. We can X this screen. We're going to go back over to our classroom. Click the waffle icon. Find our drive. It might be in a different spot, so look for the triangle. And right here in your drive, it should be one of the first ones to show up in the suggested. Remember, you named it Your Name, Deep Hope Poster. So if you need to find it, you can always search here for Deep Hope. And it should show up because Deep Hope is in the title. Let's make sure our Deep Hope poster is added to the assignment on Classroom to make sure our teacher can see it. Let's go to our Classroom tab. We're going to View Assignment. In the Your Work section, we're going to click Add or Create from Google Drive. In this window, it should be one of the first ones that pops up. If not, you can always click in here and search for Deep Hope. But since it's right here, we can double click it. It attaches to the assignment and we can turn it in. I hope you had fun.